It's time for my February update for Project 10 Pen that is based on 10 uses of each product. So in the month of February, I was working on this Misha Perfect Cover BB Cream, but I have only used it 7 times, so I didn't reach my goal. This Essence Stay All Day 14 Hours Concealer, I have used it 23 times. I was surprised with this palette from Viv that is face palette in the shade Dawn. I was mostly surprised by this bronzer because it looks a little bit dark, but it actually suits me in the winter, so I have used it 10 times, and each of the blushes were used 10 times. This bronzer from Charlotte Tilbury was used 11 times, and this highlighter was used 16 times in February. And all of my lip products, so this mini from Charlotte Tilbury in shade 90s Pink, this MAC in shade Kinda Sexy, and this Essence Lip Tint Hydra Kiss in shade 02 Vintage Rose were used 11 times. So let's go through my thoughts. I like this Misha foundation, even though the shade is not a perfect match. I can sheer it out and it can work for me in the winter, and I will see if it can also work for me in the summer. This concealer I really love, and the same one I was using last year all year and it didn't fail me down. And this palette, I was actually surprised because this blush is more peachier than I usually like, and this bronzer looks a little bit too dark for me, but all of these 3 shades I can use and they work for me, so I'll be keeping this palette, and I will also be keeping this palette from Charlotte Tilbury because it's perfect for me, for my complexion in winter, and I will see how it works for me in the summer. But when it comes to these lipsticks, this one is the one that I like the most in February. This one from MAC, the feeling is very weird because I can feel it sitting on my lips all day, and also the shade doesn't really work for my lips, for my lip color, so I will be decluttering it. And when it comes to this mini in 90s Pink, I'm still deciding what to do with it because if I apply it like a normal lipstick, it's too dark, but if I just dab it on and then blend it with my fingers, I can make it work. But I don't know if I will keep it at the end of the year, so this will be a maybe until then. And if I have more lipstick that suits me without additional work, then I will be decluttering this one. So these are my yes, this is definitely no, and this one is a maybe. And I have also finished this mini Charlotte Tilbury mascara in Exaggerate Eyes, so this one will go with this one and those two will be decluttered. And now let's pick products for the month of March. In the month of March, I will roll over this foundation that I will need to use it 3 more times because I want to use it 10 times before putting it away in my collection. Then I'll be working on this L'Oreal True Match Nude in shade 0.5 to 2, very light. And this is the foundation that I like the most in my collection. And for concealer, I'll be working on this Tarte Creaseless Concealer in shade 108 Fair Beige. Sometimes I use this one as a brightener more than a concealer. And I will be working on 2 bronzers. The first one is from Milani. It's called 01 Sunlight Silky Matte Bronzer, and I have pen on it. And for a second bronzer, I will be working on this mini Marc Jacobs in shade 104 Fantastic Omega Bronze. That looks like this. For a blush, I will be working on this Pink Gasm Beauty Light Wand from Charlotte Tilbury and this Essence the blush in 60 Beaming. And for highlighter, I'll be working on this Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand. And now for lipsticks, I will be working on 1 mini lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury, 1 lipstick from Lisa Eldridge, And then I will decide if I will be working on more balmy lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury or the one from Clinique being Black Honey. So for minis, I'll be working on this one, and it's called Pillow Talk Fair. It swatches like this. And then from Lisa Eldridge, it will be this one in 189. This one is called Audrey. And then I will be working on Black Honey from Clinique because it's a little bit darker. Like so. And these are my products and these are my products for March. I will just switch this one in a refillable packaging. And here are my 10 plus 1, so 11 products for the month of March. See you again for the update in the end of March.